Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime video. In this video I'm going to, when installing USB bootable Windows 11 on an ASUS laptop, we get the message, internal SSD is not visible. How to fix this? Don't worry, it's just some setting I need to be configured and it's super simple. Fix. So I'm going to guide you through it right now. Once you're in your BIOS, you're going to press F2. Next, click on the Advanced option and press F7. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to the VMD Setup menu. And then enable the VMD controller. Now this needs to be disabled. You click Disable. Is that once you select Disabled, there is going to be a pop-up, right? Over here it's going to be a warning that says changing the VMD controller to the table may result in data loss. Please ignore this. So you're going to press the blue, OK. You're going to save and exit by pressing F10. And press OK. And then everything will restart. You're going to boot up into your SSD or your Windows install USB. This video helped you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.